Hello and welcome. Now in this video we're going to talk about Facebook integrations. And if you type in Facebook into the search bar, you'll notice that you can do integrations with Facebook lead ads, pages, offline conversations, and groups. And in many cases, these integrations will mirror some of the social posting applications that are separate from Zapier. However, you can create other integrations using web apps like GetResponse, Gmail, Reddit, Google Sheets, and WordPress. And of course, in most cases, your business activity will dictate your need for a particular integration. There is at least one action that you can take where Facebook is the trigger. And Facebook can be the trigger for creating text posts on the website Tumblr. So to use this Zap, we're going to click this link. And this Zap automates the process of taking something that you have created in Facebook and shares it on Tumblr. So the trigger is going to be when someone posts to our Facebook timeline. We're then going to click Continue. And then we're going to connect our Facebook account. Zapier will then ask for permission, and we will grant it. And Zapier would like to post to Facebook for us. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. We can choose whether or not to allow Zapier to manage our pages. And once we're fully connected, we can click Save and Continue. We can then test our connection by clicking Fetch and Continue. And Zapier will confirm that our test is then successful. We can then click Continue. We're then going to create a text post on Tumblr. And we're going to connect the account where we want to see our posts. We're then going to give Zapier permission. And once Tumblr is added, we're then going to click the Test button. We'll confirm that our test has been complete. And now we'll click Save and Continue. We'll then be required to select the place where we want the post to go. We will then write in our message and then click Continue. We'll send our test to Tumblr. And then we'll click Finish. When we do that, then our Zap is turned on. And then you'll see our post automated from Facebook. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.